Tomato plants are often called heavy feeders because they need lots of nutrients to produce many fruits. If you want to harvest buckets full of tomatoes, paying attention to how you feed your plants is crucial. Fertilization, or giving plants the nutrients they need, plays a big role in this. The timing and type of fertilizer are important. Firstly, when we transplant our tomato seedlings outdoors, it's a critical moment. At this time, plants are settling into their new home in the soil. By giving them a boost of nutrients like simple compost or fully decomposed manure, we help them establish strong roots, which is essential for healthy growth and fruit production. After about 10 days of transplanting, it's time for another round of fertilization. At this stage, the plants are starting to grow vigorously, and they need extra nutrients to support this growth. We can use homemade weed tea, a nutrient-rich liquid made from steeping weeds in water. This helps replenish the soil with essential nutrients, promoting healthy foliage and overall plant vigor. The second crucial time for fertilizing tomatoes is when they begin to produce fruits. This is a critical stage because the plant's energy is focused on developing and ripening the fruits. Providing the right nutrients at this time ensures that the plant has the resources it needs to produce abundant and flavorful tomatoes. For this stage, we can make banana peel fertilizer at home. Banana peels are rich in potassium, which is essential for fruit development. To make this fertilizer, simply cut up banana peels and soak them in warm water for about a week. Then dilute the resulting liquid with 1 part fertilizer to 10 parts water, and use it to water your plants. This homemade fertilizer provides a natural and cost-effective way to boost fruit production without relying on store-bought products. Fertilizing tomato plants at the right times and with the right homemade fertilizers can significantly increase their yield and quality of fruits. By understanding the importance of fertilization and using simple homemade methods, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of delicious tomatoes from your garden. If you want to learn more about making weed tea or banana peel fertilizer at home, check out our channel for step-by-step guides and tips.